Hi, in today's video I'll show you how to replace the rear right wheel bearing on an Alfa Romeo 159. In this model, the bearing is integrated with the wheel hub. What were the symptoms? The car suddenly started consuming a lot of fuel, had less power, and there was a slight humming noise. After lifting each wheel, it turned out that this wheel was barely spinning at all, or turning with great difficulty, which put extra strain on the engine. Step-by-step guide. Lift the car and take off the wheel. Unscrew the brake caliper and remove the brake pads. To remove the brake disc, rotor, you also need to unscrew the brake caliper bracket. Unscrew the metal brake dust shield, backing plate. Now we have access to the bearing/hub assembly. As you can see, it is severely overheated and barely turns. The hub and bearing assembly is bolted from the back with 4 bolts using thread locker. I recommend spraying the threads with WD-40 first and waiting a moment. Before removing the bearing, you must loosen the ABS sensor. Remove the hub and bearing assembly and thoroughly clean the area where the new bearing will be mounted. Install the new bearing. The new bearing kit should also include new bolts. Unfortunately, the ones I got were too short, so I reused the old ones. Apply thread locker to the bolts. As you can see, everything spins smoothly now. Bolt the dust shield back on. Bolt on the caliper bracket. Push back the brake pistons and reinstall the caliper. Put the wheel back on. Problem solved. If you have any questions about this repair, leave a comment and I'll try to help. Subscribe to the channel for more.